Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can watch YouTube videos without any advertisement. So let's get dive into today's video. First, let's go to YouTube. Alright, here in Chrome browser, when you open the YouTube and try to watch any video, it, sh it shows advertisement, right? So we don't wanna watch advertisement anymore, right? So just open the new tab and let's type Brave browser. Yeah, all right, so here we are, the Brave browser, and get Brave browser for yourself. I've already downloaded my Brave browser, so let's open the Brave browser, and here you can type YouTube. All right, here we are in Brave browser, browsing YouTube, browsing YouTube. And here, if you try to watch any video, it won't show you advertisement anymore. Alright, let's just try watching few videos. Just watch this one. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can share with your friends and families and loved ones. Thanks. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.